the company's needs for the perishable waste disposal system project at Shengzhou City's waste transfer station. The entire processing line includes unloading system, screw, conveyor system, sorting system, crushing system, press dehydration system, boil water separation system, microbial fermentation system, waste gas collection system. The feeding system of the perishable garbage treatment production line is made of Shengzhou stainless steel, which is corrosion resistant, easy to operate and fast to feed. The material of the crushing system of the perishable garbage treatment production line is alloy steel, which has high crushing efficiency. The process adopts low-speed crushing method. The process is reliable, and the crushing process is dust-free, low noise, and vibration-free. The process flow of the dehydration system of the perishable garbage treatment production line is to first use a spiral auger for dehydration, then use the material blocking device to dehydrate to ensure the moisture content of the discharged material is about 65%, and the processing capacity is 3 tons per hour. The oil-water separation system of the perishable waste treatment production line is made of Shengzhou stainless steel, which is beautiful and durable, and the process adopts the shallow pool theory. The processing capacity can reach 5 tons per hour, and the effect is stable. The microbial fermentation system of the perishable waste treatment production line adopts high-temperature aerobic fermentation treatment method. The processing capacity can reach 10到15 tons a day. After the perishable waste is treated in the aerobic reactor, its overall reduction rate should be greater or equal to 80%. The deodorization system process uses closed equipment deodorization, combined with the overall workshop deodorization design. The waste gas during the treatment process mainly comes from the high humidity and high temperature gas produced by high temperature fermentation in the aerobic reactor. The waste gas generated by the equipment is collected through negative pressure fans and collection pipes. The waste gas collection system covers all odor sources. The collected waste gas is sent to the deodorization system set up in this project for disposal.